can be quite difficult knowing which university to attend and narrowing down your choices, but we do have tools in place that we recommend. For instance, you may choose to look at UCAS Search, which is where all the different courses and universities in the UK can be found, and there are 50,000 different courses, so it's definitely worthwhile getting that research in sooner.
When researching your course, it's very important that you have a look at the different types of modules that will be studied on that course. Choose the right modules that suit your personal interest and something that's going to engage you across the course of the 3 years. When you're looking at assessment methods, choose the one that suits your needs. Do you prefer to do examinations or do you prefer to do assignments? Have a look at the assessment methods and choose the course that is the most appropriate. Employability is an important segment of all courses, and it's very important that you have a look at the different types of placement that each courses offer and make sure that you can see yourself working within that industry.
There are accommodation options to consider as well. You may choose to stay at home or you may choose to move away, and that depends entirely on you and your individual circumstances. There are lots of different options with accommodation. You may choose to live in private accommodation, which will be owned by private companies, or you may choose to live in halls, which are often owned by the university. There are many different options in terms of the room choice as well. For instance, you may choose to live in a studio where you would have your own living space entirely, including a little kitchen. However, you may choose to have a shared living space, which many students do choose to do, and the room sizes will vary greatly.
There are many opportunities that lay outside of the academic realm of your university experience, and one of those could be the opportunity to do a placement within your course area. We have a fantastic DMU Works team here on campus that is designed to help you find your most suitable work placement, as well as utilising the help of Unitemps. We also have our DMU Global Initiative, which is designed to enrich your experience whilst you're here at De Montfort University. We'll give you the opportunity to travel and experience different cultures, as well as getting fundamental work experience within the field that you are currently studying. This will help you stand out in a crowded employment market by giving you the opportunity to talk about all the great things that you did on your DMU Global trip.
Each university will have its own unique campus. You might find that it's city-based or campus-based, and De Montfort University is campus-based. Our accommodation and our buildings are a short 5-minute walk to the city centre, which means that you have all your amenities within walking distance. You need to think about whether you can see yourself living there. 3 years is a very long time and it needs to feel like home for you. Look at things such as social activities. Are there things that you can see yourself doing when you're not going to be studying because you won't be spending all your time in the library? Look at things such as transport links as well. Can you get to and from home easily, visit your friends? Can you get around the city easily as well?